How to destroy Insta 360 by DJI Mini 3 Pro in one go.
That's what I said.
That's confidence.
No.
I might find. I've got a feeling it's going to pull it back too much. Yeah?
Oh, you're still going ahead with it anyway?
I'm not going to go high.
Oh, great.
It needs to be more in the centre. Your faces. Got a feeling it's going to be too much weight on the back.
Yeah.
Change your plan.
No, that is probably. Oh.
That's going to centralise it more. Yeah? See that? Well, no, because it'll lift off the table. Right. Why does it keep saying about network, George? Oh, whenever this isn't turned on. I'm only going to hover the camera slightly and just see whether it'll hold the weight.
Is the camera recording?
Yeah.
That's going to be some good footage.
Is it? Yeah. When this fucking sorts itself out. Where do I get away with no network?
What do you mean? Like...
Well, it's not letting me do anything.
You're like going into like the lab of like a crazy scientist.
So, yeah.
Wait, give me time to get my camera.
Here we go.
You know what? You've got to respect it sometimes.
I've balanced it.
You've got to stand up and
Do you want to go high and try it now? Should we try again? I've got it on slow as well.
Have you turned the 360 on?
Yeah, it's on. Oops.
I mean, that's kind of what we expected.
Yeah. So it's only scratched the outer. Just scratched the outer lens, that's all.
Why the... Yeah, maybe don't.
Oh, that was looking good. Oh, you know what happened? It slipped.
Right, lump. 3, 2, 1.
Sorry.
Mm-hmm. Cracked.
Is it cracked?
Look,
The lens cover.
lens cover.
Is the actual lens okay?
No, lens is good. Let's try this one.
Of course, you've got the spare lens cover.
No, you don't. No,
So
we're going to
don't
take
put it
them
back
off.
on the bloody camera.
No, look, it's still. Look, what a great camera. That's going to be some footage, though, isn't it?
Oh, I so hope this came off.
Well, now you can go.